When it comes to marketing and advertising, you don't want to have to look far and wide to find the best combination of people to work on your brand or project. With Marketing Strategizers, you can have every facet of your marketing and advertising needs covered under one agency. We at Marketing Strategizers are focused on you and your vision and how best we can tailor our skills as an agency of marketing professionals to achieve the desired outcome of your brand's marketing needs. In getting to know our customers through a consultative approach and by looking to understand what your goals are, we will create a custom marketing and advertising solution to solve your brand's issues or challenges. By delving into what has been working in the past and through advising and acting on what could use improvement, you can expect the best results for your company's advertising needs. Having worked successfully in the industry for almost 10 years, Marketing Strategizers can and will help you make the best first impression to get your brand noticed.